And yet, aside from actually seeing being born and that time when Gretzky said, "What's up to me in line in the back," that's one thing that happened. He truly is. I want to know when he played.